If your study routine feels like rereading textbooks, stop. Because what most people think is studying is actually just wasting time. Studies show that simply reading your material gives you a false sense of competence. You think you know it, but you don't. You need to shift from passive consumption to active retrieval. This is the single biggest difference between good students and great ones. These 3 techniques aren't just tips, they are scientifically proven methods to make your memory stick. Instead of reviewing, force your brain to retrieve information. This effort is what builds strong neural pathways. Think of your brain like a muscle. You don't get stronger by lifting light weights, you get stronger by consistently challenging yourself. Cramming works for a test, but spaced repetition is the only way to achieve long-term mastery. Your brain learns best when given little breaks. Spreading out your study sessions dramatically improves recall. Top students don't multitask. They enter deep work mode, blocking out all noise and focusing intensely. You can't outstudy a lack of sleep. Your brain needs that downtime to file away all the new information. Follow this simple cycle daily, and you will see your grades and your confidence skyrocket. Stop treating learning like a sponge. Treat it like a workout. You have to exert effort to gain the benefit. Don't just use fancy notebooks. Use tools that force you to retrieve and connect information. Stop reading and start pulling. Implement one of these techniques right now, and watch how quickly you master anything.